Yo! So I'm down here at Centralia, and this place is crazy.
Time flies by and I see beyond the disguise.
Hey, what's up, guys? So today I decided to take a trip to Centralia in Pennsylvania. And the story behind Centralia is that, well, it's now a ghost town. In 1962, a fire broke out in the mines, and it has been burning ever since. In 1980, more than 1,000 people, they say, living in Centralia, until everybody got letters in the mail saying that they had to evacuate due to the fire, the sinkholes. The ground has been smoldering ever since. Toxic gases, they were afraid were gonna kill everybody, so basically it was evacuated. And now today, according to Wikipedia, it says there's only 10 people in Centralia. I mean, there's people from all over that come to see this place. And the most popular place that's here is called Graffiti Highway. A section of this road collapsed, and I think it's like half a mile long. They call it Graffiti Highway for a reason. Check it out. So I was taking a walk down through Centralia, and look who I discovered right off the bat. What's your name?
My name's Corey.
Corey, where are you from?
I'm from upstate New York, between Buffalo and Syracuse, Rochester area.
Wow, and what are you doing here?
We're just kind of exploring. We got a Jeep event going on down the road, but we're just taking a walk and exploring all the graffiti.
Yeah, and who are you here with?
My parents and my sister.
Hi.
Hi. And who's that guy alone down there? Hey, what's up there?
We are the Cook Family Traveling Road Show.
Oh.
So last year we went all the way to LA and back in a motorhome, towing the Jeep, and did a lot of four-wheeling and stuff. And so we have a little following, and people, when they follow, when they're driving behind us, they follow us. And
oh,
yeah,
nice.
cool,
That's a cool idea.
The world is bright again.
So I'm gonna try and hurry up here before I run out of battery, but I want to show you guys some reasons why this place really was closed down. Because as you might have seen so far, why would they close it down? It looks perfectly good to me, right? Wrong. Check this out. This major hole in the road is a problem. As you can see, your car would probably get stuck. But I don't know. It kind of looks like the rest of the roads in Pennsylvania, doesn't it? I mean, come on. It's kind of close, right? It's kind of close, kind of close. So I've gone wandering around, and I have yet to see any place that's smoking. They say that they are out there, that there's certain spots that you can find that are still have smoke coming up through the ground. Supposedly they're dangerous to try and get to because of the sinkholes. That's why they evacuated. Yeah, it's really hot out. If I would happen to see one of those, I bet it'd be awesome. Whew, I was here this past winter, and I really got some cool shots then. We were using flares, doing nighttime photography. Yeah, it was pretty cool. So guys, I'm heading out. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked, hit that subscribe button. I'll be going on some more adventures. And you know, this is Centralia. Definitely a cool place. Why is my drone not following me?